So in next class I will be telling you text transform in CSS. So in this class I will tell you text color in CSS. So here I will be write text color, and here you can erase it, and here you can write also text color. Then save, then refresh. So it is coming like that. And here I will be go, and here I will be write font size should be roboto comma sans serif sans roboto should be and roboto comma smaller, sorry, only I will be give like one serif comma sans serif. So sorry, here I will write font family. And now here we can write roboto comma sans serif, and here I will be erase it because here I will be write like that. And now it is coming like that. Text align should be center, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. What is text color means? You can give your text will be in red color. How we do it? You can only write color. You can give on your text. In your text, you can giving in text. You can giving a color. You can write color. Then when you giving your color to your background, so you can write background. Okay, and I will write color. And here you can give write red, dark red. So it is coming in dark red. Here you can see it. So it is but it is will be brown. And erase it, save, refresh. So it is coming in red. Here you can see it. You can write a number of color also. Here I will be write like 00. So it is coming in black. And here you can write FF. So it is coming in white. Here you can see it, but it is not seeing you. And here you can give also a color F5. Then save, then refresh. So it is coming in like that. So it is, you can give color code also. Then and it is very important, and you can give on the background out when you will background color. So you can write background, and background color should be 00 means black. Then save, then refresh. So it is coming like that. Here you can see. So you can give your text any color, but you not write like text color. Okay, you will not like that. You will not write like that. Okay, I will be telling you no. You cannot write a text decoration should be color. You can write only color, and you can give any color, but you cannot write here. You can write in your H1 because your class should be H1. So here you can write like color. So should be, you can give red and any color, but you can give gradient. You can write gradient, linear gradient. Okay, you can write like linear gradient. So you can and give linear gradient. Okay, so in this slide, then here you can give gradient also easily as. Okay, so in this class I will be telling you color, how to give color, text color and CSS. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Here you can see you can give your, and you will give any color on your text. So here you can see deeply I will give red. So okay, so in this class I will tell you. So now I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.